Running stitch or knitting stitch is a very effective and pretty stitch. It's an easy stitch for beginner knitters. The front looks exactly the same as the back because you're only doing one stitch and it's a knit stitch. Take your needle, go through and make a cross. Take your wool around from the back, come towards the front. Move your needle through, and then you want to move that stitch off the original knitting needle. Take your needle through, pull your wool from the back towards the front. Move the needle through so that you create a stitch and you move it off the original knitting needle. Make a cross, move the wool from the back towards the front, push down to create a stitch, and then you want to move that stitch onto your other knitting needle. So that's the back, and you can tell it's the back because it curls slightly under. And then we go to the front of our work, and there you have it, running stitch.